the Chief Justice of India and the Honourable Bench proposed an interim stay in the Waqf matter during the hearing, and this is very good news. The three main points on which the interim relief that the Supreme Court has proposed, it's very important to know them. The first is that any court-declared Waqf property, whether it is Waqf by deed or Waqf by use, cannot be denotified during the course of the hearing. That's the first relief. The second relief is that while disputed Waqf property, the collector or the district magistrate can start an inquiry, they cannot under any circumstances take that property back during the course of that inquiry. So these proceedings in effect will not be put into effect. So the danger or the uncertainty that any disputed Waqf property will go into the government's hands while the property's ownership is being decided by the collector, today's stance will be stayed. The third most important thing is that the Supreme Court has proposed the relief is that in the state Waqf boards and the Central Waqf Council, nobody except from the ex-official members will be non-Muslim. So the danger that the Waqf Amendment Act had, for example, in the Central Waqf Council was that out of 22 members, there could be a scenario where 10 would be Muslim and 12 would be non-Muslim. Today, that possibility does not seem a possibility because the maximum members, which will be ex-official, will be 2. So there will be a Muslim majority on the state Waqf boards and in the Central Waqf Council. So these three measures of interim relief that the Supreme Court has proposed are definitely extremely reassuring.